Hey, what's up fellas, this is Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel guys, and today I'll show you how to take the whole interior apart on a 2020 Ford Explorer. So my particular model has 2.3 engine. It's a turbocharger, we call that EcoBoost engine, and it's also a rear drive. Yeah, also this is a rear drive model. It's a EcoBoost XLT. It's not all-wheel drive, but I'm pretty sure the interior is the same on any others. All right guys, so what we're gonna do and why we're doing the interior removal is because of the water went not too high because the seats are working. We got some mud in here. The car starts with no problems. Works well, the engine works, transmission works, everything it's cool and nice. We just got mud. All right guys, so what we're gonna start is we're gonna take the seats off. We're gonna take the whole 3-row seats out of the car, and we're gonna start with the front ones. It's much easier. So first what you want to do is you want to take these covers out right here. Push the seat all the way back and take these covers out both sides and unscrew the bolt here, and then same thing you do with pushing the seats forward and take those cover out and unscrew the bolts there too. After you're doing that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift the seats up a little bit, and we're gonna disconnect right here these big size connectors. You push the safety clip here in the middle and disconnect it, and we're good to go. Take the seats out. So let's go ahead and do that. So we got 13 millimeters in the gun. Here's the bolt out. We're gonna take the second one just like that. Got 2 of them out. Now we're gonna push forward the seat. Don't disconnect it because guys, you gotta push the seat forward. Now we got in the back. All right, we got in the back. We're taking the covers out just like that. Same here. Now we definitely can go ahead and disconnect the connector. We got a clip here. Just like that. It's a wire holder like that, and then right here press in the middle. Same time you pull this up just like that, and you disconnect the connector. So as you see guys, there's no corrosion or any kind of damage on the wire harness. That means the wire didn't come up too high. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the seat out and put it in the garage. All right guys, now we're gonna do the same thing on the right side, exactly how we did with the driver's seat. After we remove the front 2 seats, we definitely don't need the battery anymore, so we definitely have to disconnect the battery. So actually your battery is it's placed on front passenger side under the hood. You gotta take this cover off, and right here we have the terminal. We can disconnect it. So 10 millimeter, we disconnect here, and after that we are safe to work on our car. All right, next guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take lower plastic covers out. to remove the carpet front sides. So for first thing, what you want to do is to remove this cover and the lower side, and then as you see here, you have a clip. I'm pretty sure carpet is coming out easily after you take this clip out. And then these two, we're gonna do both ways, same thing. So let's go ahead and take these carpets out. So that's how you take this off. There's a small clip right here, a plastic clip that holds right here, holds the carpet. We're gonna take all the trash out, and then we gotta wash everything. But you see there's any damage under here, so we should be good to go. Let's take all the trash out, take these clips out. We're gonna do the same thing on the front side for the driver's side, and then we're gonna go ahead and take the rear seats out. To take the hood opener out, you gotta remove a clip right here. So you lift it up, and then let me show you. Just like that, you take this off, just right here. You see, what you do is you press here and you open it, and you come out and you lift it up. After that, just like on that side, you take this off. Easy, slow, and nice. Take this off. I'm gonna push it out because of the hood opener, and that's it. We got this off. So to remove the driver carpet all the way, after we remove this plastic here and the hood opener, we're gonna take the gas pedal out. So to take the gas pedal out, we're gonna take this cover out. You need to go really deep and take this cover out, and we got a 8mm bolt here. We gotta unscrew that. Next, after we got the gas pedal bolt out, we gotta pull toward yourself like that, and that's how it comes out. And then we got a connector here. We take the safety plug out, and we gotta press here and take the connector out. Then we got a clip that holds the wire connected to the gas pedal. We take that off, and that's it. Our gas pedal is off, and then we're gonna remove the driver's side carpet. Alright guys, that side, this side, we're taking these covers out now. It's not hard at all. You can do it by your hand. Just easy, taking each side off, just like that. Here we go. We got it out. Next, what we're gonna do is we're taking this covers off each side. Same in the front. We got here. We're taking this too, and we did on the front side. We take all the bolts out and remove seats. All right, exactly the same, guys. After we take the bolts out, we got two connectors here. It's not hard at all. We take this off. We got the same thing here in the second one. We got this off too, and then we gotta take this clip holder. We got this off. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna fold it, and we'll grab it and we'll take it off. The seat out. This one, I believe it's all together. So yeah, this is gonna be heavier. We're gonna need more space to take it out. We definitely want to fold that and lay it. Let's take all the bolts out and see how it goes. All right, so for the rear seats, you gotta take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts out, and it comes separately. You got the upper side here, 4 bolts, and you got lower side, 2 bolts in the front. They are separately coming out too. And now to make sure we get the carpet out easy is, same like that. We gotta take these plastic clippers out, and then I believe the carb will come easy out under the console. So let's take this carpet out. Alright fellas, the car is ready, the interior is done, everything works properly, super nice, everything works, no damage. Take this car on a trip about 2,000 miles. I passed 66,000 miles coming back home. So yeah, of course I will appreciate if you guys gonna leave a thumbs up. If it's first time here, then just subscribe if you're interested, because I always make new and cool videos about repairs, sales, and rebuild and flood cars and stuff like that. So if you like that, then I'll see you around. That was Mechanic Mode, guys.